Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Papa. I like you to come home and touch Diva, and you can give Tika the ticket for us, and we can go to the beach because
not like that.
happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Papa, I love you, Papa. I miss you because I like to go with he, and I like to go buy us so many hungry. Goodbye. I love you.
I will ask you something. This one or this one for Papa? Are you sure? Okay, I will get another one. Okay, wait for Mama. Okay, this one or this one for Papa? You want this one talaga?
Yeah.
Do you think Papa will like this one? Okay, let's try. Kali, I will tell to Papa that you choose this one, okay? Look at Mama.
Hi guys! We went to Coburn to buy gifts for Papa. And si Kali din yung pumili ng i-gift namin na polo shirt kay Papa niya. Sana magustuhan ng Papa niya. Nak! Hi ka sa vlog! And nag-play lang din kami dito ni Kali sa Crocs Play Center. Ngayon pauwi na kami. Sana magustuhan ni Papa yung isa-set up namin tomorrow na birthday! Surprise for Papa. Right? Say bye vlog! Bye vlog! Say bye vlog! Say happy birthday Papa! This is for you! This is for you Papa! Happy birthday Papa! Pep pep! Bye!
Hi guys! So ngayon, samahan niyo ko isi-set up ko tong happy birthday dito sa bedroom na lang namin for bilog. Yan. Isi-set up ko yung balloons tsaka yung happy birthday na banner habang tulog si Kali kasi tomorrow for sure hindi na ako makakapag-post kasi pag-gising si Kali and magluluto pa kasi ako. And yan, dito ko na lang siya isi-set up para hindi madaling makita ni Bilog kasi baka makita niya kami sa CCTV dun sa sala na nag-aayos or sa para pagpasok niya wala kunwari siyang surprise tapos pagpasok niya dito sa kwarto meron pala. So yun, samahan niyo ako. Magpapalobo lang ako ngayon saglit. Yun, dito ko na lang din ilalagay yung gifts namin. Tapos yung birthday cake niya, bukas iiwanan ko na lang dito para kasama sa setup. Yun, 1 hour lang naman kami kasi susunduin namin siya. Kasi today pala, nasa work siya, kaya wala siya dito. Wala siya dito nung birthday niya ng June 1. So ngayon pa lang yung dating niya from work. So ngayon namin siya maso-surprise. Kasi wala naman siyang handa dun sa work nila or what. Wala siyang celebration kasi nga night shift siya, tas tulog siya ng umaga. So, ayun. Gusto lang namin i-celebrate ni Kali. Siyempre, ako din para naman maramdaman niya na nag-birthday pa rin siya. Yun lang. So, yun lang. Vi-video natin for memories. We're done. Happy birthday. Parang pinagpatsi-patsi lang. Wala kasi ako ibang nakita. Tsaka ayaw dumikit ng tape namin dyan. So, yun. Yan. So, happy birthday. Tas, dyan yung cake niya tomorrow. Kasi hindi pa siya nakapag-blow din ng cake niya kasi nasa work nga siya. So, kasama niya kami ni Kali magwa-blow ng cake niya. And yan yung birthday gift namin. Iba-vlog ko na lang siya bukas pag inopen ni Bilog. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. See ya, Papa. Surprise for Papa. Kali is cooking something for Papa.
I'm cooking. You can cook me. Because I'm cooking for Papa. Because Papa is hungry. I'm cooking for Papa to be happy and I'm making
Oo, dyan lang na.
tea.
Tutulo po. Ito na, wait lang.
Wow, amazing. Hi, vlog. Wait, I'm finished cooking. What's for Papa? Hi, vlog. I'm finished cooking for Papa. You. Oh, you. Look at it. Meow, meow, meow.
Guys, we're cooking naman ng another ulam for Papa because
Mama!
Papa wants ulam with sabaw.
Mama, you're almost ready to cut my hair.
Be careful.
I have to put
There's
it.
another one. Hold it.
Still very young, Mom.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Okay, I
One
don't
day
know.
you own me. Mom, after you set, I will put it there in the box.
Oh, wait.
I will put it off and not you.
Yan, may binibenta silang mga aqua plus na magaganda. Yan, binila nila Syra and nila Mama si Bilog ng aqua plus. Yan. Yan, gift daw nila para dito sa burog na to. Yan, dami nilang aqua plus dito. So guys, nakabili na po siya. Uy!
Uy!
Nakapakita mo, pakita mo. Nakabili na po siya. Pakita mo lang. Wow!
Thank you, Ta. Thank you, Saira.
Oh my God, ito siya.
Kila Syra, kila Mama yan.
Thank you.
Kila Nel.
Thank you, Mari.
Happy birthday to you! Ano ba yan? Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Papa! Isa-isa. Okay, open. Papa will open! Isa-isa may ipakita. Ang bangit mo naman mag-ano. Wow! Nagustuhan mo? Si Kali may gusto niya. Kali! Nagustuhan ni Papa! High five! High five! Whee! Regalo namin.
Dami mo naman binili.
Siyempre, lahat ng favorites mo. Pakita mo. Bri! Ay, tapon mo na to. Tapon mo na yan. Nakakaya ka nakita ni Nel yan. Yay, that's Papa's favorite. Di ba gusto mo yung sa mukha? Yung ano, parang...
Dami mo ganun eh, no? Thank you.
Isa-isa mo lagay dito. Favorite mo nga eh. Ayan, tag-isa kami ni Kali kasi lagi ka high blood sa amin. Happy ka?
Okay, bago.
Oy, Kali! Magbo-blow pa si Papa. Oh. Baliktad.
Number 3.
Ka lang, stand up ka lang dyan. Wait. Let's sing happy birthday.
Happy New Year.
Oh, lagay mo, 34 years old ka na. You're so tanda na. Ha? Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Papa, magpakita ka dito. Happy birthday, Papa! O, Papa, make a wish before Papa will blow. Make a wish, Papa. Blow, Kali! Whee! Yay! Woo!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Papa, magpakita ka dito. Happy birthday, Papa. Kiss Papa muna. Kiss Papa muna. O, Papa, make a wish before Papa will blow. Make a wish, Papa. Blow, Kali. Whee! Yay! Woo! We surprise Papa! 3, 2, 1, happy birthday! 3, 2, 1. Are you happy, Papa? Kali, look at the vlog. Success vlog! Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Success! Success! Papa!
Doon na.
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday!
Whenever people ask me what I like best about my life or what I'm thankful for, I always think of you. You are my peace. You are my home. This love with you is surreal.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Blow, 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 bis, blow, blow.
Ganun naligo, blow.
Isa pa.
Another one. What will you say to Papa? Say happy birthday, Papa. Oh, kiss Papa. Kiss Papa. Kiss. Happy birthday. Oh, you sing happy birthday. No, this one. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, sing na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Papa. Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hooray, kiss Papa, kiss Papa.
Yeah. Oh, blow, blow.
Blow.
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Papa, magpakita ka dito. Happy birthday, Papa! Kiss Papa muna. Kiss Papa muna. O, Papa, make a wish before Papa will blow. Make a wish, Papa. Blow, Kali. Whee! Yay! Woo!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Papa, magpakita ka dito. Happy birthday, Papa. Kiss Papa muna. Kiss Papa muna. O, Papa, make a wish before Papa will blow. Make a wish, Papa. Blow, Kali. Whee! Yay! Woo! We surprise Papa! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ba't ka tulog? Tulog ka ng balot. Hindi tulog yung mata mo pula na.